Greetings everyone, I'm Rishita Jaladi, presently in the 6th semester of a BSc program at Maristella College, Vijayawada. To me, studying here in Vijayawada was a tough choice initially, but now I'm enjoying every bit of it being a part of Maristella. The curriculum is designed in such a way that every child sings her own song and emerges as a winner. In addition to high-quality academics, Maristella also provides ample of opportunities to strive for all-round development. And as Confucius said, the will to win, the desire to succeed, and the urge to reach our full potential are the keys to unlock the door of success. The ambience of Maristella provides innumerable opportunities to develop our multiple intelligences. All the 3 years I have been successful in all spheres. Thanks to the dynamic administration of our visionary leader, Dr. Sister Jacinta Quadras, our principal, teaching and non-teaching staff. Education is empowerment, and as Mahatma Gandhi said, if you educate a man, you're educating an individual. But if you educate a woman, you're educating the entire family. Yes, Maristella is not only educating 4,000 girls, but it is reaching out to 4,000 families every year. My journey at Maristella was amazing. The beautiful, serene and lush green ambience of the college infused energy to start my day. I have learned and experienced something new every day. I personally love the library and laboratories in our college. Our laboratories are well equipped and provide controlled conditions for scientific and technological research and experiments. Well, trust me, you will have an amazing college life. The beautiful buildings, green surroundings, faculty who are always supportive and encouraging, good friends, crazy memories, and all these will make you fall in love with the college once again. During my 2nd semester, I got an opportunity to present innovative ideas regarding the development and advancements in the field of dairy technology, for which I received the Gnanaberry Cash Award of Rs 1 lakh from Sri Chandrababu Naidu, the then Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. And in 2019, I was a part of the anti-plastic campaign and received a Special Appreciation Award from the Governor of Andhra Pradesh. And I'm very pleased to tell you that I am the only girl to represent Andhra Pradesh at Parliament Central Hall, Sansad Bhavan, Delhi on 12th January 2021. I was appreciated by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and his Cabinet of Ministers for my talk on universal basic income.
So finally, here is the change. Let's rethink India and focus on skill development and entrepreneurship where we can stand still. Finally, I would like to end my say by saying that poverty will be a state of mind if UBI is implemented.
Maristella thus provides holistic education where we evolve as individuals who are self-motivated, responsible and socially conscious. I was a part of Red Ribbon Club and significantly contributed to social causes like gender equality, blood donation, cleanliness drives, menstrual health and many more. I am also a fervent volunteer of Red Cross Society of India. I'm so very happy that I'm selected for the prestigious SUSI program hosted by the US branch at the US Department of State's Bureau of Educational and Current Affairs. I'm chosen to participate in the study of US Institute for Student Leaders on Education and the Future of Work at University of Washington, Seattle. This invigorating journey of mine would have just been a dream if I was not a part of Maristella family. So I'm glad I was able to meet a very diverse group of students and learn about certain lifestyles that are different from mine. Thanks to Maristella for this amazing multicultural college life. Finally, I assure you all that if you desire success, Maristella is the right choice. You will be in safe hands. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.